Welcome back, everybody. I'm down here in Florida at the annual Blackstone Griddle Pro Meetup, and Ari Mama on the griddle is with me. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Teriyaki Island Burger. We've called this many things over the years. We've called it a bonsai burger, a bonsai pipeline burger. But today, we're going to simplify it. We're going to call it a
Teriyaki
Island Burger.
Let's give it a try.
First things first, the dreaded, the scary mandolin slicer. You have any experience with these?
I do.
Thinly slice some onions. We're going to try to make a crispy fried onion on the griddle. So let's see if we can get, it's working. It's working. Oh, looking good.
All right, didn't slice my finger off.
You're good. She's hired. Over to the griddle where we have a Blackstone grease cup liner with peanut oil, hopefully up there in that 350 degree range or so. So we're going to drop those in there. When you go to the store, you buy those little salad-esque French fried onions in a bag. We're just going to try to make our own. I decided to take a cheater's route. What do we have here?
Brisket, short rib, and sirloin beef craft burgers.
3 types of meat in one. Blackstone Island stir fry seasoning. You want to season those up? Here, let's do 3 of these today. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Through the magic of the grocery store, we have a beautiful pineapple ring. So I'll slice some pineapple rings. You want to open up the buns, Ari. We have some brioche buns today. I'm a one-trick pony anymore when it comes to buns. Brioche all the way. They're just buttery, and they're rich, and they're shiny. They look good, so it's brioche 24/7 around here. You like butter lettuce?
I love butter lettuce.
Look at that. It's perfect. It's like show lettuce. Try to think of bun size. We'll put some on the heel later, so yeah, just 1 leaf or so. We'll get a little stack of those. I think we're all prepped. Easy peasy. We're going to let those onions sizzle a little longer, and come back in a few minutes. It's been a few minutes. Let's go check out those onions. Ari, if you want to grab the burger patties, maybe throw a little bit of oil down and get those.
Here, I got you.
Get those down on the griddle. Let's check out these onions. Oh, mama. There we go. Shout out to Hungry Hussy who helped me off camera with the onions. What kind of burgers do you tend to make more often than not? Do you do a lot of smash burgers? Do you like the pub burgers? What do you do?
I'm all about the American cheese smash burgers. Just a simple smash burger.
Bacon, no bacon?
Bacon, we can do bacon. Love bacon.
Okay.
So I'm excited to try this with all the ingredients.
Now, do you do mustard, ketchup, mayo? What do you do?
It's got to have mustard.
Mustard. I like
Yep.
mustard. Isn't it weird how people from different parts of the country get so carried away about their toppings? Like if you talk to somebody from Chicago and you say, hey, I put ketchup on a hot dog or mustard, they're like, what?
Yeah.
Mustard only. So everybody's different. But yeah, I like them.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those onions, by the way. What do you think of that?
Those look so
Think
good and
those will be
crispy.
perfect. The burgers are cooking good. Let's go ahead and grab these pineapple rings. I got an extra one just in case. Let's come on over to the griddle. We can put those down right beside.
Oh, those are going to be so good.
There's an extra one for the camera guy. Let's keep an eye on those patties. Looking good. We'll let them go for a minute if we have to. We can rest on there. Let's go ahead and prep our buns. If you want to go ahead and we'll do these Blackstone Betty style. Maybe put just a little bit of mayo on the inside so we can toast them up.
All right.
Shout out to Blackstone Betty, who's here somewhere on set. Where is he? Ari, when you're at home, you know, you're doing your reels for Instagram, making videos. Do you have kids waiting in the wait like I do? Are they like inside saying, you know, feed me for crying out loud? I mean, is it hectic?
Absolutely. Yep. They're standing right there watching me, asking when dinner's going to be ready. And yeah, I cook all my content is for my kiddos. It's why it's Mama on the Griddle. And I do a lot of copycat recipes actually for them. So.
Well, speaking of copycat, my original idea, my inspiration for this was the Red Robin bonsai burger.
Awesome.
So this is kind of like my take on that. You know, first time I had that like 20 years ago. Pineapple on a burger, teriyaki.
So
I felt like I was in the tropics. We're in Florida. We got to do it, right?
All right, let's
do
do it.
All right, let's see if we can get a quick toast on these buns. We'll throw them down over here, see what happens, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Ari is gonna jump in, grab that spatula, flip the griddled pineapple. It looks amazing. Flipping the patty. Oh, it looks so good. A little bit of Colby Jack cheese on the patty. It's time to take those beautiful pineapple slices. Gonna put those down on top of the cheese, and then we're gonna take some teriyaki sauce that has sesame seeds inside of it. It's the double whammy. It's time to plate things up. So over to the cutting board, a little bit of my favorite mayo down on the heel, some of that beautiful butter lettuce. It's green, it looks picture perfect. On with the patty and the cheese and the pineapple and the teriyaki sauce, and of course the crispy fried onions, and if you're feeling frisky, some sriracha.
Take a look at that. Look at the teriyaki sauce drizzling down the side. I'm ready to eat this.
Let's cut one of these in two. I do not think I can eat an entire one myself. Look at that. Teriyaki sauce, pineapple.
So
let's
cheers.
give it a try. Teriyaki sauce, a difference maker. Picked up a new brand today. You know me, I'm Mr. Yoshida through and through, but teriyaki sauce, sesame seeds, what do you like about it?
Onions, and the pineapple is just bursting with flavor.
So darn good. It's great to have Ari on the show today. I haven't made this burger in like a year. I make it like every other year or so. Delicious. We'll get the recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com. Speaking of Ari, Mama on the Griddle, you gotta check her out. You're on what, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, way up in the Pacific Northwest. Make sure you're watching all of our other friends. Hello! Thumbs up, comments, bell icon, everything. Till next time, Todd and Ari, praise the Lord and pass.
I'm so sorry, I forgot the name of the burger. Teriyaki Island Burger.